Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another portfolio update. So my Robinhood portfolio right now, it's at $17,447.98. Today I made some good gains. Made $890, that's a 5.38% gain. If we look at the weekly performance, in the past week I've made $1,108.69. That's plus 6.79%. So I'm very happy with the performance so far. We've made some good gains. Since the last video, I haven't made any new plays or changed anything around. My portfolio is still the same as before. It's just things have been going well, I guess. So let's go over my portfolio. Right now I've got a BABA 195-200 call debit spread. So I want Alibaba to stay above 200 for max profit. This expires in February 19th. United Airlines 60-55 put debit spread, so I want United Airlines to stay below 55. This expires February 19th. Another Alibaba call debit spread. This is a 205-210 call debit spread, expiring in April. I got an Apple 107.5-110 call debit spread, expiring in June. Amazon 2580-2600 call debit spread, expiring in June. Realty Income 52.5-55 call debit spread, expiring in June. And I've got two different Twitter ones. Twitter 3940 call debit spread, expiring in June, and another one at lower strike prices. This is the Twitter 3035 call debit spread, expiring in June. Honestly, I'm feeling a little bit more uneasy, so if I have a chance, I might get rid of these, the 3940. But I feel fairly confident that Twitter will stay above 35, so I might just keep on holding on to this one, these call debit spreads right here. So let's see how they're doing. So BABA is at 242 right now. 242.5. It's been on the road to recovery. As you see in the past week, it's jumped up a lot here. It was in the 220s, jumped all the way to the 240s. So yeah, that's why my spreads have been doing so well. But yeah, it is staying above 200. United Airlines, I wanted to stay below 55. Right now, United Airlines is at 44. So today, it went down more than 5%. And if I was doing a call debit spread, that would be bad. But since I'm doing a put debit spread, I actually want United Airlines to go down. So today was actually really good for me. I'm glad it went down. So yeah, I'm making some good money from United Airlines just staying low and the price getting a little lower. And I almost never do put debit spreads. I usually only do call debit spreads, but I follow airline stocks a lot, and I kind of know their patterns, sort of. It popped up to the 46s, right? The high 40s. And the thing is, a lot of the times when airline stocks pop up, they don't really hold that price for too long. They usually go back down. So that's why I was betting on, and look what happened. It did exactly what I thought. So yeah, I'm happy about that. Some more BABA. This one's for aiming above 210 for max profit. As I said before, Alibaba right now is at 242. So it's well above 210. Apple. I want this Apple stock to stay above 110. Right now it's at 127. So it is above 110. So that's doing okay. Amazon. I want Amazon to stay above 2600. Right now Amazon is at 3098. So it is above 2600. Realty Income. I wanted to stay above 55. Right now it's at 58.65. And if we look in the past 3 months, Realty Income, it's been at 60, went down to 57, went back up to 64, dipped to 60 again, 60, 60. It's mostly been around 60 until recently where it dipped to 57, but hopefully it does recover, go back into the near the 60-ish range. That's what I want. But yeah, it is still above 55, so it's doing okay. Twitter, I wanted to stay above 40 for these call debit spreads. Right now, Twitter's at 45. Hopefully, it does stay above 40, but I'm a little worried, honestly, because it's been on a downtrend and doesn't seem to be stopping anytime soon. Hopefully, it does find the support. But yeah, it was at the high 40s, like 49, and then it's just been consistently like going downhill. Yeah, let's hope it stays above 40 for those call debit spreads. These ones I'm way more confident about. I just need Twitter to stay above 35 for these call debit spreads, and it's at 45, so I'm way more confident about this one. I think Twitter can stay above 35. And yeah, that's it. So I did recently add to my portfolio money, not more plays, but just adding cash to it. That's why you see a higher value here. And cash is on the way. I actually deposited, I think I deposited 33,000. So this number is going to change into a much bigger number soon once the deposit is finished. So yeah, regardless, I'm still making good profits, but I really want to add more money and then make plays with a huge amount of money from the start, from the beginning. I know people wanted me to start with a smaller portfolio, but like these tools are available to a lot of people. Like sometimes it is a good idea to take out a loan if you're confident enough to actually make money off of the money that you're borrowing, right? I mean, if I was in a position where I didn't have that much money starting out with, a loan can actually be a really good option. If you're confident, then you can make money. Okay, here's the thing. There's good and bad debt, right? Bad debt is the kind of debt that like you get into debt, but you don't really gain anything out of it. Good debt is getting into debt and using that money to make money or to gain something out of it. Like, for example, real estate. You put a down payment on a house or a property, and then you rent it out, and you get consistent income every month from the rent money. That's an example of good debt. And I believe taking out a loan to do more spreads, I believe that's good debt also, because yes, I am getting into debt by taking out a loan, but I'm going to use that money to make money. So I think it all works out. Hopefully. Maybe I'm being a little too overconfident, but honestly, I've got a good track record, so I'm very confident in myself. It's not based on nothing, right? I have reason to be confident. So let's hope everything goes well. And yeah, I'll update you guys on what happens. Good luck to you guys on investing, and good luck to all of us, honestly. Who knows what's going to happen in 2021, right? All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later. Bye.